Okay guys, in this video we're going to be using the flight function. We're going to go down to leg time. So we've used distance flown, and then we've also done a ground speed, and then the third one is leg time. So with the ground speed function, we gave it a distance and time, the ground speed function right here. We gave it a distance and time and it gave us ground speed. And then on the distance flown, we gave it ground speed and time and it gave us distance. And then now for leg time, we're going to give it a distance and a ground speed, and it's going to tell us time. This is all just rearranging that ground speed equals distance over time equation. So let's say we've traveled 19 nautical miles at a ground speed of 140 knots. That is a total time of 8 minutes and 9 seconds. So if you're up there flying, you can set your time, you can measure the distance you've flown and the ground speed that you're flying, let's say on your fourth flight or something like that, and you can calculate this time.